This toupee is our MIRAGE, and it is called single note because the note it makes this toupee very strong. You can see, and this is number 7. The PU thickness can be required as different thickness as you like. And here I will show you how we apply it. Firstly, we need to cut off the front spare PU. And then we will shave off the excessive hair of the area. Then we use alcohol to clean up the skin. And we make sure that the size can meet the area exactly. If not, we can use scissors to cut up some spare PU. And then we apply it from the front. We can use tape and we can use glue as you like. And after use the tape and glue from front to the end slightly and avoid any bubble in the skin. And after do that, you can cut and do the style you like. And then you can treat it as your own hair. You can wear it to swim and do sports. And we can have different colors. You can choose. If you want all the, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.